In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your company name in Zoom. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along without any guesswork. Start on a computer using a web browser and make sure you're signed in to your Zoom account. Once you're in, look at the left side of the screen and click My Account. This takes you to your account home, where you can manage all your personal details and settings. Think of this as your control center for anything related to your profile. From the account home, open your profile. The profile page is where Zoom stores information like your name, job title, and company. It's the place other people may see when they view your profile or participant details, especially in organizational directories and invitations. On the profile page, find your name and click the Edit option to the right of it. That opens an editable view of your profile details. You're not changing your meeting display name here unless you edit that specific field. You're just opening the panel that lets you update all the fields in one place, including the company field we're focusing on today. Now look for the field labeled Company. Click into it and start typing your organization's name exactly how you want it to appear. Use the correct capitalization and punctuation, and double-check spelling. This information can appear across Zoom experiences and might be visible to colleagues, so accuracy matters. If your organization has a specific brand style, follow it here. If you're using a personal account, you can still add a company name for a professional touch. If you're part of a managed corporate account, you might notice the field is pre-filled or locked by an administrator. In that case, you'll need to follow your organization's policy. Once you've entered the company name, click Save. That's the key step that applies your changes to your profile. After saving, your update is stored in your Zoom account and will sync across the web portal and the Zoom desktop and mobile apps. If you don't see the change immediately in another app, give it a moment, refresh the page, or reopen the app so it can pull the latest profile data. And that's it. You went to My Account, opened your profile, edited your details, added your company name, and saved the change. This quick update helps your Zoom presence look professional and consistent, whether you're joining internal meetings or meeting new clients. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to follow along in real time.